you arrest me, it is done. What do you mean it is done? He threw Chinese racism in my face. Arrest me right now.
Put your hand on your head. Put your other hand.
No, arrest me right now.
Lady, I'm going to take you to the ground if you don't stop.
Okay, put me in the ground.
Lady,
no, put me in the ground. Okay, go ahead and do that. If you arrest me right now. Arrest me right now. Arrest me right now.
Phone out.
Arrest me right now. Take me to jail.
32, she's resisting. Can I have one of my back? Step it up.
Good.
Put your other arm out.
No.
Put your other arm out.
Okay, so if you're gonna kill me,
I'm not gonna kill you.
You're killing me, so I can't put my arm out. You're killing me, so I cannot put my arm out. You're killing me.
Put your other arm out.
Yeah, because you're killing me. You're killing me, so I can't. You're killing me, so I can't put my arm out.
Put your other arm out.
You're killing me, so I can't put my arm out. I'm dying.
Put your other arm out.
I can't because you're killing me. I can't because you're killing me.
There is no weight on you. Put your arm out.
No, I can't. I can't. I'm
lady, put your arm out.
I'm an elderly lady, so I cannot. So
what is your name?
What was my name? You already know everything. Why are you lying? And don't act like I'm crazy because you already know everything. They're lying, so I am not crazy.
Okay, humor me then. What is your name?
What was my name? I already know my name. You already know my name.
I don't know your name.
Okay, so you stop playing games with me, okay? But you already know everything, and you know I'm not crazy. So if you play with me, then I will make sure everybody just keeps playing with me because that's what they've been doing my whole life.
Okay, if I stand you up, are you going to keep acting like this?
No.
I don't really believe you right now.
Okay, fine.
So I'm going to wait for my partner over here to walk up, and then we're going to stand you up. Give me a hand.
Sir. All right, you ready to stand up?
Okay, so I need my bag.
Nope, you get your bag in a little bit. You want to stand up?
Come on. Here you go.
Stand up.
No, wait.
Nope, we're standing up.
Come on.
Stand up.
Oh, hey, you are breaking the law.
Okay, let's go.
So you know what? Hey.
Let's go.
No, I need my bag.
We'll get your bag.
Okay, so I'm... Okay, no. And
let's go.
No.
I told you when I got here, it's not a choice.
Okay, so...
Do not pull away. Do you understand?
Okay, so...
Are you injured at all?
Yes, I am, because you guys are assholes, and you guys know it, so don't even lie.
I'm going to go talk to them.
Where are you injured at?
Everywhere, because that man tried to kill me. And you know it.
Okay, you said that you're injured. I need to know
it's
where. So we're going to have fire check you.
You already know everything, because you are a police officer.
I just got here.
No, if you're a police officer, you know everything. So you don't lie.
What she doesn't know is the entire incident was caught on camera.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
I'm tired. What is going on?
We were all just in the back playing music, right? Practicing for something.
She was kicking your doors, what I was told.
She was, I don't know if you want to follow me, she also broke the fence.
Did she break anything up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she pulled
You
this
guys
off
willing
and
to
then
give me a
threw it at him.
statement on this then?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look at the fence then.
Hey, so I just want to let you know right now you are under arrest, okay?
I completely understand that.
Okay.
I already knew before.
Okay.
This can happen.
Okay.
When she was breaking all this stuff, did she say anything to you guys?
Just insulting us. She was pushing, she was kicking me.
Did she kick one of you?
She was kicking him.
Did she kick you?
She tried it, but I tell her, hey.
I don't need, did she kick you? Did she connect?
No.
No, okay.
She tried
She tried to kick you?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one right here.
Okay.
Yeah. She just came and just...
Okay.
Why are you at their door pounding on it?
These people are playing pounding music the whole neighborhood to hear it. And
Why didn't you call 911 if it's against the law?
Girls do not have qualifications to do any job, and she's doing that.
Do you have a job?
Yes, okay. Of course I do.
Okay, so then women have rights to work jobs then?
Not if...
Are we in agreement that that's nonsense? Okay, we're going to move past the gender equality stuff, okay? We're going to focus on what's here.
You guys live here? Is that a camera?
Yeah.
Can you just tell me what's going on? I know the officer took them down there. I just wanted to see if I could get any more information from you guys.
The officer is now shown home surveillance footage of the entire incident.
your family's all dead. There's no home. You know why? Because you don't deserve a home. The reason why is you live in this house with 10 million people, and I live in my house with one person all by myself. You guys are dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You guys are dead in 2 seconds. But whoever hell is supporting me, so go ahead.
Okay.
The reason why this gate is dead. This gate is dead. You can't even hit me, so if that boy hit me, that means I know for a fact. There's nothing. There's no hell. There is no hell. It's deep below, and that's where you guys are all going.
Go to your home.
And you guys are
You can go to your home. Please.
You guys are not even fucking Christian. You guys are liars.
Not in the house anymore.
There's no religion. No, let go. Oh, you're not letting go. That's a restraining order. Restraining order. I'm gonna sue you. Restraining order. I'm gonna sue you for restraining order.
Okay, right.
I can't. I can't.
Okay.
I can't.
Hannah continued to yell at and berate the people at the home until police arrived on scene.
Are you also willing to provide a statement that she tried to push you and kick you?
I'm okay.
I can't make you do it, but it will determine how long she's away. I mean, she kicked you, or she tried to kick you, tried to push you. That shouldn't happen.
The thing that she took off, she was like pushing people.
She used that.
Yeah, she pulled it off and then threw it at him.
Would you like to provide a statement on her throwing the fence at you? No? Okay.
Did she hurt anyone else other than this? Other than the kicking that was on the video? Did she hit anybody?
She started hitting me.
She started hitting you?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you injured?
No.
No?
But she started like slapping me and stuff.
She was slapping you?
Yeah.
Okay. When was this?
Right before she kicked him.
Were you here the entire time dealing with her?
Yeah.
Okay. How old?
Well, I'm 15.
15, okay.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I get a statement from you as to everything that happened, including her hitting you, and then obviously take a look to see if you have any injuries?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Before I head back and talk with other officers briefly, damage to that, tried to kick you and threw stuff at you, but you don't want to provide a statement, which is okay. And she didn't try to kick or punch or throw anything else at anybody else?
Not that I remember now.
Okay.
She's gonna have to pay for that and that, right?
That'll be between you guys and her, honestly. You can definitely take her to civil court over that if you would like. Well, yeah, if I took the money from her, that's called robbing people, which is very illegal.
When she hit you, did it hurt?
Yeah.
It did hurt?
She hit me hard.
How'd she hit you? Closed fist, open hand?
She started slapping me.
She started slapping you, open hand? So they have door camera of her kicking at him.
Perfect, yes.
I already got that camera footage.
Perfect, thank you.
And then she also slapped him a few times. And he's going to give me a statement as well.
Perfect.
Said it did hurt, but he doesn't have any marks.
All right.
So.
Oh, wow.
Right? And then he grabs
That
her, tries to pull
is
her
way
away.
harder than I thought it would be. They're assaulting one of the people there. We have assault 4 now, because...
That's great. Let me ask him if he wants to be a victim.
Oh, okay.
All right, man. Just let you know, this is audio video recorded. She was hitting you. She was assaulting you.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to, pursue charges for assault on this? So that way she doesn't do this again, or? I mean,
how does that work?
It's totally up to you, but all it means is that I'll get you a recorded statement saying that this happened. I mean, I'm gonna get that anyways, and then that statement can be used later in court. That says, hey, yeah, she assaulted me. I have video of her assaulting somebody else, and then she can get some, whatever the judge decides to do with her for that.
Yeah.
But it just means that you're agreeing to be like, yeah, I want to go ahead and pursue prosecution. Okay, cool.
And I also do want to let you know that as a self-defense, I did hit her back just because she was attacking me.
Okay. We'll get all that in the statement. That's fine. Like I said, we have good video. As of right now, she does look like she's aggressing. She's primarily aggressive to you guys coming here.
Yeah,
to
I was trying to calm her down.
So I'm going to get all these details in the statement itself, all right?
Okay, yeah.
Once I get that form. But I just wanted to make sure that you were on board and you wanted to do that.
Yeah.
She kicked him. Does he also want to go ahead and pursue assault?
Que si quieres poner cargas en asalto.
I'm okay. I know I work on police from Mexico, and I know I tell her she heads on me.
Yeah.
I tell her, hey, you can go home, relax, and she no understand.
I don't think she's going to.
I think she need medication or something. I don't know.
But right now we have good with the assaults.
Yeah, but no, I'm okay.
Okay.
Can I ask why, after all this is happening, why you didn't take the opportunity to just leave? Yeah, I don't know how much that's going to help you, to be honest.
It's because it's racism.
Racism on its own is not a crime. I agree with you that racism is wrong, right? And that what I'm telling you is that because of freedom of speech in the United States, that racism on its own is not a crime. It's got to be accompanied with something else. But and one of my questions is, with all this stuff going on, Hannah, is why you didn't leave.
You almost tried to kill me.